All right, so we're doing something a little special today. We are creating the griddle. Not that thingy that you get from that big corporate place. Nope, this is the griddle. K&R style. I think you guys are gonna dig it.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and
Let's take a look at what the ingredients are gonna be, shall we? All right, we got eggs. We got cheese, more cheese. We got bacon. Ignore the tortilla shells. That's for later. You'll find out. We got sausage, Hungry Jack, waffle and bacon butter. Anyway, Hungry Jack, pancake and waffle mix. More cheese and ham. And the je ne sais quoi. We got some Vermont maple whiskey, single malt aged. I mean, it just wouldn't be a K&R show without some single malt aged. Oh my God, this stuff is so good. And thank you, Bob, with Blue Wave. If you guys don't know him, you need to find out real quick. But he's the one that hooked us up with that. So, get ready, peeps. It's about to get real. And we got some special guests in the house, too. Wait till you see what's cracking. So, now that they're all prepared, everything's prepared, it's time to assemble. Assemble! Talking to the gimbal.
You don't know what you're missing. That's good.
Is it good?
That's good.
You taste that maple syrup?
Oh yeah.
Alright people, you heard it from the master, Mr. Aaron Jefferson. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I gotta feed the rest of these yahoos. But appreciate you watching. Love you guys.
Don't even say anything. Oh man. That was good. That was good. Yummy noises.